we got like some wind happening, a lot stronger gusts than before. Unfortunately, we can't really see a whole lot here because sun went down and everything, but kind of hear it still. A lot of rain coming down, sheets sideways. I'm seeing the sky light up, and I'm assuming that is transformers blowing and not lightning. Never a lot of lightning in the storms like this. I don't seem to remember any of that. You can see hear the wind just, that's pretty intense. So, Harrier here, but what is cool is, check this out, man. Oh yeah, got a little bit of pie there. Got a little Fox News going on there. Got a little that going on in there. Got that little cute thing right there going on. A little backyard action. I can't see much. My wife's in there on the Facebook. I did want to say though that I was watching the Weather Channel earlier, and they don't know what they're talking about. That guy Jim Cantori, and he was like pointing. He's like, and the water is flowing downriver, and he's motioning upriver and stuff. And then he had made some comment about the water and the river now flowing downriver again and such. And I mean, I don't think the river ever really flowed upwards. I mean, I don't know, but they don't know. And that guy Al Roker's on Canal Street, and he's talking about how the buildings are going to fall down, and I just don't know what they're talking about. All right.